I'm going to show you how I use this god-awful text-to-speech program to make good vocals in my songs. Go to this GitHub page for the code. It'll compile on Mac and Linux, I'll go over that in a minute, but if you're on Windows, you can download the exe from here. Grab that and open it up. Extract. And now you have this folder which contains an executable that can run in the terminal. So, right-click and go open in terminal. And this is where you can give your commands to Sam. You can run it with /sam and then whatever prompt you want. By the way, if you're on macOS and Linux, go grab the source code, extract it, and open a new terminal. And to compile it, you should just be able to type make. Okay, that didn't work. I'm not really a computer guy, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, if that happens, just edit this make file, and I'm gonna get rid of all of this. Save that change, and now that should work. Yippee! Now we have an executable. Okay, let's learn the syntax. /sam to run it. Then if you want the output to be a WAV file, which you probably do, -wav, and then the name. And then you can type in your text-to-speech, and that will create the file. But there are other parameters you can change, like speed, pitch, mouth, and throat. For example, or my favorite, phonetic mode, and now it takes phonetic input. The original manual is linked on the GitHub page, and this is really helpful if you want to actually understand the phonetic spelling system. It explains it much better than I could. But this is really helpful if you want to have full customizability over the sound that Sam creates. Although I have noticed that you're limited to phonemes that exist in this specific American accent. So here's what you could get the speech to sound like.
Hey there, it's me, Sam.
But you can also tell it to sing, which will cause it to hold a pitch, and you can input a pitch. It's a bit annoying to get the pitches in tune. You kind of have to figure it out. And then type something in. There you go. That might sound a bit shit, but I did manage to get it to do this.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer, boo. I'm half crazy, all for the love of you.
If you're interested, these are the prompts I used to make that.